Hi, all PUC students. I'm Professor Digyawadi of Goethe Institution of Technology. So, I'm giving that is for your coming CET some hints. So, connected with mathematics subject. Okay. So, just you have to check it. That is, there are so many formulas you have studied in PUC. That is how to get it the shortcut method. That is the correct answer in minimum time. So, that much I'm giving to you. Here I have written that. So two formulas. One is 0 to a f of x into dx, and the second one is a to b f of x into dx. Both are familiar to you people. Okay. And whenever the examples are given to you like this type, any that is the limits of integration, either it may be 0 to pi by 2, 2 to 8, 2 to 6. But one condition what it is there, what the numerator term is there, out of the two terms that is in the denominator, one term should be required, the same term. Okay. And at the same time, here what it is there, upper limit plus of lower limit minus of the variable will be the second term. Suppose if 10 minus of x what it is there, if it is present in the numerator, the same one term should be present, and that is wherever x is there you have to write it a plus of b, a lower limit plus of upper limit minus of x. That itself is the second formula you are taking. So here, that is, if such type of examples are there, either it may be an algebraic term or it may be a trigonometric function. Okay, so anything if it is given to you, it is very easy to solve. That very easy means what? Very easy. So method I have given to you, but how to remember the answer? So suppose if you are taken that this integral is I. Okay, so you have to change it. That is wherever x is there, up there is lower limit plus of upper limit minus of x. You will be having a second integral. That second integral and first integral should be added. So at the end, I will give it to you. Very simple way to write it the correct answer. So when you will add it these two terms, left hand side is goes to 2y and right hand side. So the sum of the two integrals, same limits will be there. When you will add it, you will be having both nr and dr should be the same. So both will cancel, remaining is in 1. So then always it will be there, that is one format only. Upper limit minus of lower limit equal to this term. Whole divided by that is 2. It means what? 6 divided by 2 is 3. So 3 is the correct answer in this C level. Okay. So now easy simplest way, that is whatever may be the example is given to you, upper limit minus of lower limit divided by 2 to how you will get it after changing this term, same, that is the hint. So I'm giving to you. So here you can see that, that is, yeah, one function divided by another function. Okay, same function is there, that is here. And other one what it is there, whenever the trigonometric is there, its co-trigonometric function will be there. Suppose if it is cos is there, cos will be present, its co-trigonometric function is sine. If tan is there, one term will be the tan, other one will be its co-trigonometric function, tan and cot. Okay, if sec is there, the another one is goes to the cosec. In that format will be present. Either raised to half is there, sine raised to 100 is there, so sine raised to 100 is there for all terms. So whatever may be it, you will get it, the answer is like this type. Upper limit minus of lower limit, it is goes to pi by 2, whole divided by 2, means what? Answer is pi by 4. Nowhere it is pi by 4 is there from the first three answers, therefore none of that is answer what it is there correct. Suppose in place of pi, that is 4 by pi, if it is pi by 4, then the work is completed. So here, that is this example, you can see that upper limit minus of lower limit pi by 2 divided by 2, because of that is already I told it in the first example, 2y. So it means what? Out of these four examples, pi by 4 is there. So this is the correct answer for this particular case. Okay, so it means what? In these examples, means what? These two formulas which are given to you, using this formula, that is we can solve it the examples like trigonometric, co-trigonometric, and algebraic term what it is there. So that is, so this term, suppose in place of x it may be given to you upper, that is this term divided by one term same. So mm, that is another one what it is there. So the difference of these two terms, sorry, sum of these two terms minus of x is nothing but, so which formula you are given, that is second. Okay, and so this formula, sir, you are not using. Maybe you are thinking all trigonometric formulas you are using the same thing, because of sine of 90 minus theta is cos theta, cos of 90 minus theta is sine theta, tan is converted into cot, sec is converted into cosec, like that type. So all trigonometric formulas, which examples which is solved, so that is the first one. And whenever the algebraic terms are there and number system is the limits of integration, so at that time you are using the same thing. Just you have to check it. Sum of the two terms minus of x, is there anywhere one term or two terms? It is not necessary that only one term will be there. So here also it may be 10 minus of x divided by this term. At that time also you have to check it, 8 plus of 2 or 2 plus of 8 minus of x. That is called 10 minus of x. Is there any term or not? So commonly in generally, how many old question papers, if you'll check it, out of these two terms, that is these formulas, one formula is compulsory using in the examples. Okay. Now the second combination, what it is there, these are very interesting, particularly that is these three. Okay. Yeah, but so first, second and third are familiar to you, but the first one is not familiar in so PUC. So commonly they will give it in CET coaching classes, and here just you have to see that the number of examples I have written. Yeah, and how to solve, that much also I have given. But important is, that is out of the two three formulas, which formula should be used? Exponential into sum of the two terms. Numerator sum of the two terms are there. It means what, we can divide separately. In this place you can see that 1 minus sin square x is cos square x. So sin upon cos square is nothing but sec into tan, and cos upon cos square is only 1 by cos is nothing but sec. Okay, so that will be converted into sec x plus of sec x tan x. Suppose if you are considered this is f of x, its differentiation should be the next. Therefore, the integral of the entire term will be e raised to x into f of x plus of integration constant c. Okay, so little bit if you think it, if the numerator exponential is outside and numerator is sum of the two terms are there, just you bifurcate, means what, separated these two terms. Once if it is separated, the places may be interchanged. I have interchanged here because of cos x upon cos square x is 1 by cos x comes as a second term. That much I have written as first because of its differentiation is the second term. Okay, now similarly, whenever exponential into something, if it is given to you, the same thing, same technique you are using. This is x plus 3, denominator is x plus 4 whole square is given. Okay, so this term can be written in terms of 4 minus 1. The same thing I written that x plus 4 minus of 1. When you will divide it, this term divided by this term, you will be having 1 by single term, minus 1 divided by this term is nothing but remains as it is. And differentiation now, 1 by f of x is nothing but actually minus 1 divided by f of x whole square into f dash of x. Its differentiation is 1 and not written. Okay, so it means what, this is called f of x, and it's a next term, second term what it is that this is called f dash of x. E raised to x into f of x plus of integration constant is the answer. Okay, so now that is the third one what it is there, here it is given. So commonly this term will apply, that is integration by parts. So little bit if you'll think it, it is very easy to get the answer. First term differentiation is 5x raised to 4. It is present in the second term, but this term what it is there, constant, its differentiation is 0. Okay, so means this term and this term you combined, so that much I have combined x raised to 5 plus of 1. Its differentiation is the second term, f of x plus of f dash of x. Therefore, integration of this term is exponential into f of x plus of integration constant, that is c. Therefore, answer in this example it is given as c. Okay, when which formula should be used, that much you have to remember. Don't go like a classroom example, how commonly will solve it in that format. Okay, so the next example what I have taken, so we'll see that. Okay, so here also the same thing. So here x minus 1 divided by x plus 1 whole square is there. There is a change in constant number, write it plus 1 minus 2. So that much I have written. Okay, now the present you can see that in this place, if you have taken 1 upon f of x raised to n, its differentiation is minus of n in divided by f of x raised to n plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3 into derivative of this term is 1. So write it or leave it. This is called f of x and this is called f dash of x. Product of these two terms is the answer. Okay, so don't practice it continuously. So don't go by like PUC classroom how you have solved. Just remember that is the what the combinations I have given to you, which are the that is so three formulas are there. So either we have used all the three or not. You have to see that. So all examples I have used. So this one. Now next two terms, what it is there. So we can think it. For example, if it is there e raised to sin x into cos x or e raised to cos x into sin x. Okay, or e raised to x square into 2x. So when such type of examples are there, so then we can say that e raised to f of x plus of integration constant c is there. So most probably I have taken in the next slide. Okay, sorry, here I have taken that. 1 minute. Yeah, just you have to check it and I'll take it. That is next to what it is there. So one more video. Now one thing you remember, don't go that is regular class how you will solve it, that is in that format. Okay, and particularly this examples, it is common practice is there. This is common practice is